Hey guys, welcome back to Rinty's Plate. I am going to cook shrimp, these lovely shrimp, and I'm going to cook it down with coconut juice. Okay, and all these are my seasoning here, and my dry season over here. This is paprika, this is seafood season, this is a little black pepper, onion season, garlic season, Mr. Dash, and thyme, and a pinch of salt there. Okay, what I'm going, and I have a little lemon juice. Yes, this is my coconut. I blend my coconut. Okay, so I don't need this. I'm just showing you that I'm using the coconut for the shrimp to cook down my shrimp. Okay, first what I'm going to do, I'm going to combine these seasons together, and I'm going to use half. I'm going to put half to season up these little boy, and then coconut in the pot. Then I will add the rest of season. Okay, so when I season up this, I'm just going to put it to rest here and sit for a while. Okay, it's going to be the last thing going in my coconut. Okay, so what I'm cooking coconut garlic shrimp. Okay, coconut garlic shrimp. All right, first I'm gonna turn my stove. Turn on my stove here. I don't have to wait until it boils down to put my season. This is onion, scallion, and hot pepper. Okay, I'm gonna add to my pot here, over here. Also, here's my garlic. Wondering why I put so much garlic? It's garlic shrimp, coconut garlic shrimp. Okay, and some pepper, some bell pepper. I'm just gonna have it cooked down. My parsley, I'm gonna use some of the parsley now and leave some when it cooked down. And this is the remainder of my season. I'm just gonna season my pot here. You remember, shrimp is very easy to cook, especially these little boys. So I can do. Okay. I'm gonna have this to come to a boil with oil so I can put my shrimp in. Okay, so stay tuned. I will be right back. Okay, it's cooking down very nicely. Nice. All right. Look like this look nice. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my shrimp. Add my shrimp to my pot. Look how they look nice. Oh my gosh. Look, and enough water. I need to just steam it down. Okay, I'm gonna cover it and cook it for 10-15 minutes. Okay, all right, I will be right back. Wow, look at my finishing touch. Looking good, huh? Very nice. Okay, and this is my coconut garlic shrimp. Yes, so I'm gonna heat it with some rice. You can have it with spaghetti or anything you want to have it with. Okay, okay, this is my finishing look. Ready to heat. I'm gonna sprinkle some lemon juice over it. Yes, And also gonna sprinkle some of my, ooh. Okay. Ready to eat. So guys, remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Okay? Thank you all for watching. Bye-bye from now. See you next time.